Did you know you can access your work schedule right from your mobile dashboard? And there are lots of amazing things you can do here. We call this the My Schedule feature because it has everything you need to view and manage your schedule all in one place. From the dashboard, tap on the schedule icon at the bottom. Now you can see your upcoming schedule. You can also change how you view your schedule from upcoming to a daily, weekly, monthly, pay period, or custom date range view. Each of your schedule entries shows you the assigned date and the work time. You can also see if you're assigned to a specific project, cost code, or piece of equipment. If you're assigned to work on a specific project, any information that has been created for that project will show up here in the folder icon, like the client's name, phone number, and a project address, along with a map that can quickly give you turn-by-turn directions to the project's location if you need it. If any documents are uploaded to a project, for example a bid, work order, or site plans, those files can also be accessed from here. When a schedule entry is created, there's an option to include special instructions for the employee. If there are special instructions that you need to know about, those will show up here in the message icon, and the navigation icon opens the project map directly. Another great feature is the ability to clock into work right from your dashboard schedule. When you do so, the designated project, cost code, and equipment assignments are automatically selected for you, making it really fast to clock in with your job costing information. You can also quickly switch to a different work assignment or clock out, all without leaving your dashboard schedule. You can filter your schedule to show only the work scheduled for a certain project, cost code, or specific piece of equipment. Busy places a filter applied banner at the top to remind you that your schedule is being filtered so you don't forget and leave the filter on, accidentally missing non-filtered work assignments. With all these scheduling features available to you right from your mobile dashboard, you don't need to go anywhere else. Access your schedule from the dashboard today and check it out.